birthday gift unboxing. It come in a box, but that's gonna take up more room inside the bag. Gotta unbox it. I'll be doing the merch, and the merch be coming in like plastic bags. Well, the hat come in a box, but that's an unpackaging. But this is actual unboxing. My birthday gift. Oh no. Do it. Claro. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.